Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Clawdbot on Mac. First, install Homebrew if it is not already installed on your Mac. Open Terminal and run the installation command that you can see on your screen. After installation, verify that Homebrew is installed correctly by typing brew space -- version and press enter. If a version number appears, Homebrew is ready to use. Next, install node.js. In the terminal, type brew space install space node and press enter. After installation, verify it by typing node space -v and pressing enter, and then type npm space -v and press enter. If a version numbers appears, node.js installed correctly. Now clone the Clawdbot repository. Type git space clone space http://github.com/username/clawdbot.git and press enter. Then navigate to the project folder by typing cd space Clawdbot and pressing enter. After that, install the required packages by typing npm space install and pressing enter. Next, configure your environment variables. Create a .env file by typing nano space .env and pressing enter. Inside this file, add the required variables. Type bot_token equals your _bot_token on the first line. On the next line, type database_URL equals your _database_URL. On the third line, type port equals 3000. After editing these values, save and exit the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then press Y, and then press enter. Now, start the bot by typing node space index.js and pressing enter. To keep the bot running continuously, install PM2 globally by typing npm space install space -g space PM2 and pressing enter. Then type PM2 space start space index.js space -- name space Clawdbot and press enter. Finally, type PM2 space save space PM2 space startup and press enter to make sure the bot starts automatically after a reboot. Your Clawdbot is now live and running 24/7 on your Mac. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.